let's take a look at something CP Manager does that no other agency management system does, at least not that I'm aware of. This is another exclusive feature in CP Manager, and it was one of the things that I knew was really, really important. Really, really important. So let's go take a look at this real quickly. We're going to jump down here and we're going to take a look at the email fax template. And here we have one that's already created, so I'm not going to be redundant here. But to create a new template, just simply click Create New and then fill out the screen, give it a name, all that kind of good stuff. Let's go view this one. One of the things that was extremely important to me was the ability to mail merge information from the client record to letters and also to emails, because email has become the dominant method of communication in the marketplace today. The number one method. So here you can see what I've done is I've created a template here. I've pulled in the contact first name, I pulled in the billing company, I pulled in the expiration date, I pulled in the policy CSR and the producer CSR, right? All this information. Simply come over here to reporting, select the table I want to pull from. So here, step on clients, let's change it to policy header. And then we take a look at all of the different options that you have available. We even have a premium field, the policy status field. Look at all the information, the line of business, okay? Your description, your merge field for description. Okay, now I could have laid this thing out any way I wanted to. I could have used a table and put in a table in here and blocked everything up real nice and neat and all that kind of good stuff. So let's take a look here. So let's say, for example, I want to start this thing out like this. Let's just say, and I'll do a couple fields here. Carrier, term, premium. Let's just say. We'll move this over this way a little bit. We'll block those, make them, can I not do it? There we go, bold. And then I'm gonna come over here to reporting, grab my mail merge fields, and I'm gonna put in the billing company. I'm gonna put in effective date. Okay, so maybe I want to start it out with something like this. Let's just assume. And maybe I want these ones to go like that so they look kind of nice and neat here. All right, so take a look at some of the things I can do here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and save this. Close out of it. And now I'm going to come over to a client record. I'm going to grab Oscar and Rose here. And we're going to send them an email. Now, this is not a video to show how to create a new email. I'm going to bypass all that stuff just simply to show you what we can do here. So we're going to say renewal coming up as the subject line. I'm going to choose a template. I can see in this template, we're going to tie it to a contact. We'll make it to Rose. And I'm going to choose a policy. Not that I have a renewal here, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm going to view it. Notice how it filled everything out for me. Look at that, even put it in dollar values. Gave all the information here. Notice how it fills everything in here. And then I'm going to add some information right here. We are looking forward to seeing you again. I heard Oscar had some medical issues, and we all hope he's going to be okay. Right? So I added some additional information to this whole thing. I'm going to add some additional information to it. You can see how it pulled the information in. You can see how it looks. Dear Rose, blah, 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 blah. And this is my template. Now, if I want to add some closing information down here at the bottom, I could have. We'll save it. If I want to add attachments, I would, but I'm not going to. And now I'm going to send it, and then I'm going to pull up the email and show you what it looks like. Okay, I've got the email, and here it is. So take a look at this. It pulls in all the information you told to pull in. So it's showing right at the very top up here, carrier, term, the premium, Dear Rose. Here's information that was mail merged into it. Renews on, right? You're going to be discussing with your CSR, with Brad Chestnut, and then here's the additional information we added to it to personalize this template a little bit. Okay, sincerely, Baboom. Okay, look how cool that is. Can your system do that? Can any agency management system out there do this? No, but this right here is another one of those features that's going to save you a tremendous amount of time when working with your clients and sending out emails. Another amazing feature of CP Manager that was designed because we were so focused on creating a highly productive system, and I was not willing to cut corners, and so we built emailing into the system so we would have this kind of functionality, so we would be able to do this kind of stuff. This is why we built correspondence into CP Manager. This is cool. This is a time saver. This is going to make your agency far more efficient, and it's going to protect your agency from E&O exposures. I mean, we've heard about for years and years and years about the importance of using form letters when sending out letters, so that way it's the agency's words being used, and you've chosen your words carefully when you send out correspondence to your clients. But because none of the other systems allow this kind of functionality from an emailing point of view, you don't have that same ability when it comes to emailing, which is the #1 form of communication today. You have it in CP Manager. We thought about you. We know what you need, and we spent an incredible amount of time and money to build the correspondence into CP Manager so that you would have this kind of functionality. This is cool. Have a great day.